It's November, and we are celebrating. This month, the museum is turning 10 years old. And November 30th was also Clifford Still's birthday. He would have been 117 years old.
Let's party! So many exciting things have happened at the Clifford Still Museum over the past 10 years.
Since the museum has been open, we have gotten to learn with 26,837 students as part of our in-school school program.
We've also had so much fun with families, making art, playing music, and exploring the building.
Speaking of the building, did you know that this museum was constructed specifically for Clifford Still's art?
That's pretty cool. One of my favorite things about the building is the ceiling, and I just learned something new about it. One of the holes is actually half filled with cement. Next time you come visit, see if you can find it.
I have so many great memories at the Clifford Still Museum. One of my favorite moments was getting to help a 5th grade friend design and give his own tour at the museum. I had so much fun working with him and learning new things together.
And one of my favorite highlights is learning about art with kids and making art together. I love seeing what you all create.
Have you been to the museum? What are your favorite memories?
Wow, there is so much to celebrate. One of the things that I like to do to celebrate my birthday is to decorate and eat cookies and cupcakes.
Let's do that right now.
I've got my frosting and a cookie here. I'm feeling inspired by the colors and shapes of Clifford Still's paintings today. I'm going to grab a toothpick and experiment with the frosting on the cookie. I am going to try a different tool, a butter knife, and apply some of the frosting to a cupcake this time. And this butter knife reminds me of a palette knife. This color frosting reminds me of bare canvas, kind of a light beige.
Ooh, I like these shapes. I think I'm gonna try to make one that looks kind of like Big Blue.
If you don't have frosting and cookies, you can still experiment with textures and colors like this with materials you have at home, like shaving cream.